Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to completely turn off and disable the Internet Explorer web browser on your Windows 10 device. So this tutorial will also apply for earlier versions of Windows as well. And without further ado, let's jump right into it. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. And you want to type in Programs and Features. I'm going to left click on the area that says turn Windows features on or off underneath settings. You can also search that up on Windows 7 and Windows 8 computers as well. Basically, we want to get to this screen that says turn Windows features on or off. You want to go down to where it says Internet Explorer right here, and there should be a box in here as well, and there might be a check mark in it. You want to left click one time inside that Internet Explorer box, and then you're going to get a little pop-up saying turning off Internet Explorer 11 might affect other Windows features and programs installed in your computer, including default settings. Do you want to continue? Left click on yes, and once you've done that, left click on OK. This will take a second to run, and once it's done applying the changes, you are going to have to restart your computer, which I'd recommend doing immediately after you've closed out of any open programs or applications you still have on your computer. And that should be about it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.